Okay, today is Friday, July the 7th, 2023. This is a little update from the chainsaw vertical mill. I made these beams. I probably got about maybe 25 hours in these this week. I put some sealer on these yesterday. I forget the name of it. Made the bases, skinned them down. That's the back side. Cut a nice groove in here with the planer to go against the vertical ribs in the building. These are going to be strictly decoration. They really don't do anything, just for looks. When I install them, I'll give them another Thompson's water seal. That's what I used. Probably hold these out back under the deck. I don't know how many times had to be cut and fitted where they were going. And this stuff here is all new to me. I'm not a woodworker. I've never done this before. These beams back here are going to be the posts, and I got another one out there in the tent that hold the railing on for the deck. Each one has been labeled. They all got a special place to go. I got to come in here and do some more cutting, make sure they fit tight. And then they're all going to have to be cut the size after I install them on the deck. And I'll show you what I used to make this. And the only thing here that I used that was expensive, obviously, was my Husky chainsaw. That's the little vertical mill that worked out really well. Draw knives to skin the bark off the cedar, which is a curved one on a flat one. And that's just the cheapest plane I could buy at Harbor Freight. And that's just another little Harbor Freight jigsaw I've had for years. And that's basically, and a skill saw, and a sawzall, for that matter. And a little grinder with a flap wheel to kind of smooth these edges out. Like I said, I probably got about 25 hours in these. And this back one here also got a couple of trips with the planer to get a little indentation there to fit across the ribs on the steel. And then I had to cut these on the ends to go onto the ledger boards where they're going to get screwed in. So that's kind of interesting. It's been fun. It's taken over 5 years to get this to this point. So anyway, I'm going to carry these out front. I'm going to drill holes in the bases over here, drill into the concrete. I'm going to put some tap cons in here to secure it to the concrete. I forgot to drill that one. So I'll be back in a little while. I've been doing this about 4 hours a day. Crazy temperature, so hot here. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you'll just absolutely die. I can't take the heat no more. All right, I'll be back in a little while. Hope you find this interesting. There's something to do, making something out of nothing. Right. Okay, I got the poles in temporarily. That's basically what they're going to look like. Now I got to come over here, drill out the bases, and put in these 2 3/4 inch tap cons. I got to drill the concrete. That's next. Okay, about an hour and a half later, I've got the decorative beams installed. Got 3 coats of Thompson on these outer posts, sucking it up as quick as you can dump it on. And then these are already pretty much dried. Got them all tap conned in. It's a little decorative touch. Looks pretty nice. Pretty satisfying feeling to build something with your own hands from your own woods. Ain't nothing cookie cutter about this place. Next is the railings. Alright, that's it. Hope everybody having a good Friday and have a good weekend. I'm gone.